this lecture, we're gonna sign up with Amazon affiliate program. So simply open the website affiliate-program.amazon.com and you'll be seeing this homepage. Now click on join now for free. So if you already have an Amazon account, then you can simply log in from here, or if you are new to Amazon, just click on create your Amazon account. So I'm just going to sign up with a new account. So let's fill up your name, email and create the password. And now click on create your Amazon account. This is 100% free. So now they will be sending an OTP onto the same email address. So let's enter the OTP over here. Check your inbox. Here we go. So this is the OTP. I'm just copying it. And now we can paste it over here and then verify. There are 5 processes to complete the Amazon Associate registration: account information, website and mobile app list, profile, identity verification, and then after you can simply log in into the associate dashboard. So let's fill up this entire form completely and then we'll be jumping on to the next step. So first is payee name. It should be your name exactly written as on the bank account. So I'm just entering my name. Then we can fill up the rest of the fields. Before selecting the state, province or region, select your country, otherwise this field will not be updated. So let's select my country. I am in India, so I can select from here and then we can enter the state. Now we need to enter our phone number, so I'm just entering my phone number over here. +91 is my country code. Alright, now hit next at the bottom. Now here we need to enter our website address. For example, I have created themagicrooms.com, so we can simply enter themagicrooms.com and then click on add. So it will appear over here. That's all you need to do, and then click on next. Now at the bottom it needs a declaration. Are any of these websites or mobile apps listed above directed primarily at children under 13? So just click on no and then confirm. Now in this profile section we need to create our associates store ID. This will be basically a unique ID just for your reference, as well as Amazon will track your sales via this store ID. So here you can create any store ID, so better would be just enter your domain name like The Magic Room. Don't include extension like .in or .com. Just put your main domain name, The Magic Rooms, and that's all. Here the website list is already there. Now you need to give a little description about your website. So I'm just pasting some text over here like this is an e-commerce store and we are promoting the Amazon products. You can write your own description over here. Now, which of the following topics best describes your website or mobile app? So you can select the appropriate option from this drop down. For example, we are going to promote the electronic products. So we can simply select like computers. Then we can select secondary topic. If you cannot find your own category over here, just select on other. Now, what type of Amazon items do you intend to list on your websites or mobile apps? So you can select from here like electronics. Those are the categories of which we'll be going to promote the products. If you are planning to promote more products, then you can select more checkboxes like computers and office. So it's completely up to you. Now, what type are your website or mobile apps? Let's select from here. So this is going to be basically a comparison shopping engine or a blog. So here we can simply select content or niche website. Then select the secondary type. So in the secondary type we can simply select comparison shopping engine. Now, how do you drive traffic to your website? So here there are so many ways to drive traffic onto the website like paid search, email marketing, shopping portal, displaying advertising. So we can select the appropriate one like SEO or blogs, display advertisement, social networks. Do not select this paid search because sometimes they do not allow to promote the products via the PPC or paid searches on Google. Just leave this paid search as it is. We can also mention forums over here. How do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Let's select the appropriate option from here as well. So we can select e-commerce. Then the secondary one, that could also be an e-commerce. Or if you would be having any more type of monetizations onto the website, like Amazon Associate is the only way I monetize my website, so just select this one. Or if you would be having Google AdSense, then you should select some other option. So I'm just sticking with this Amazon Associate at the moment. Now, how do you usually build links? So we can simply click on this content management system, because WordPress is the best way to make the links or anything like that. So we can either select content management system or just select blog editor. Now, how many total unique visitors to your website and app get per month? So here we can simply select less than 500. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associate program? Of course, we are going to make the money with this website. So just click on to monetize my site. How did you hear about us? Simply select word of mouth. Let's click on try a different image, and then we can enter these letters into the box. And then let's finish. Now in this step we have to verify our identity. So just select your country code and enter your mobile phone number so that they will be giving you a callback with a verification code. So let's enter a mobile phone number over here. And then click on call me now.
From Amazon.com. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on your screen.
As you can hear, it is on my phone, so let's enter the PIN number that is displayed onto the screen. So this call I have received from Amazon. Now just click on this you agree, and then we can click on finish. So that's all we had to do. Our Amazon Affiliate Association registration process has been done, and this is our unique ID. So just have a note it somewhere onto your computer. Alright, now we need to set up few more things like enter your payment and tax information, so that whatever the amount you will earn from them, they will transfer that amount into the bank account. So let's click on now, and they will ask your bank details and tax information. So firstly we need to log in again into our account. Alright, again they need to verify our ownership. So let's select India as my country. Alright, so I have received my OTP. I'm just entering over here. Click on OK. This is the payment method page. So here you can select the option like pay me by direct deposit. Minimum amount that I have to maintain is $10 into my earnings. So I'm just selecting this one. Bank location. So here I can select India as my bank location. Now as per the bank location, it asks few more details about your bank account. So I'm not filling these details right now. Then after, you need to click on submit and continue with tax information. Once you will complete the entire payment process, then after you will be seeing the Amazon affiliate dashboard, something like this. So this is how the Amazon affiliate dashboard looks like. On the top right corner you can see my store ID, that's my email address, and these are few tools that you can use to linking the products of Amazon website into your website. We are not going to use these tools because I have a very easy mechanism to get the affiliate link of Amazon products. So let's scroll down and I can show you my earnings over here. Here we go. So total amount I have earned so far is 35,800 Indian rupees, and total clicks I got are more than 80,000. So this is the way we can track all our sales and the traffic, clicks, everything onto your Amazon affiliate niche website via this Amazon Associate dashboard. Now, in order to get a unique link of any specific product on Amazon website, simply open a new tab and then go to amazon.com. Now, you must be seeing this top bar, Amazon Associate Site Stripe, and this bar. This bar is not visible to all the users, but as we are already logged in into the Amazon Associate account into another tab, that's the reason why it is showing over here. So you need to firstly log in into the Amazon affiliate account on a tab, and then after being logged in, open this amazon.com in a new tab. Now let's go to electronics category. Alright, now for example, let's jump to this camera and photo category. Let's say we want to promote this SanDisk Ultra 32GB card onto our website, so just click on it. Okay, so this is the product, this is product title, this is the product image, these are reviews. The exact pricing for 16GB is $5.79, in the same way 32GB is $7.41. Now if we want to get the affiliate link of this exact product, on the top you can simply click on this text under this get link. Just click on text and then copy it. So this is the affiliate link of this exact product. Now let's go ahead and we can paste this link into another new tab. So I'm just pasting it over here and then hit enter. So you will see the exact same page will be opening. Here we go. And let's track this URL. So I'm just scrolling it horizontally and we can see the affiliate ID will be included into this link. Here you go. You can see tag equals to the magic rooms is the affiliate ID that we got from Amazon, and -20 is automatically added. So the complete associate ID was the magic rooms -20. So this is included in the link. It means now if someone buy this product, Amazon will track this entire sale by this ID and they will pay me some commission. So this is how easy to sign up with Amazon Associate program, get the Amazon affiliate link, and now in the next lecture we'll be creating this product onto our website, and then after we'll be setting up this unique affiliate link over there. Thank you very much.